Welcome back to the Long Quarter Podcast. I'm your host, Jayden Doyé, the law firm CPA, and law firm owners call me when they're tired of bragging about revenue, but their bank account still looks empty. Today, we're breaking down two KPIs that cut through the fluff: revenue per case and profit margin. These are the numbers that tell you if your firm is actually profitable or just busy. So let's get into it. Revenue per case is how much money you're actually making per file. Why does it matter? Because not all cases are created equal. You can have 50 cases open, but if each one of them is barely covering costs, you're just spinning your wheels. Think of it like running a restaurant. You can sell 100 $3 burgers, or you can sell 10 $40 steaks. Which one do you think builds a real business? Here's your action step. Calculate your revenue per case regularly. If it's too low, that's a pricing or intake problem. You might need to rethink what kind of cases you're signing on or what you're charging. And if you're just now realize that you've been serving burgers when you should have been serving steaks, don't panic. That's exactly what I help firm owners figure out: how to stop chasing low value cases and start building high profit practices. Hit the link in the show note if that's where you want to go. Now let's talk about profit margin. This is the percentage of revenue that's left after you pay for your expenses. In other words, how much of what you make do you actually get to keep? Here's the real talk. Revenue without margin is just ego. Profit margin is the truth. You could be pulling in millions, but if your expenses are all eating it up, you're basically running a nonprofit. And last time I checked, that's not why you started your own firm. So here's your action step. Healthy PI firms should be tracking this monthly. If it's thin, it's time to cut costs or raise prices, preferably both. Here's your takeaway. Revenue per case tells you if the work is worth it. Profit margin tells you if your firm is actually keeping the money. Together, they expose whether you're building wealth or just building stress. I'm Jayden Doyé, reminding you, don't let your business be all revenue and no profit. In the next episode, we'll be breaking down cost per hour and average settlement value, two KPIs that will tell you if your firm is efficient or if your money's being left on the table.